Granola AI promises to revolutionize the way we take meeting notes, but does it really deliver? If you're tired of scribbling down notes during meetings and want something that actually works, stick around as we dive into this intriguing app. Granola AI positions itself as an intelligent meeting notes app designed to streamline how you capture and organize information. The app uses AI to transcribe spoken content, allowing you to focus on the discussion rather than frantically typing. At first glance, the interface feels clean and user-friendly, which is a plus for those who aren't tech-savvy. You can easily categorize notes by meeting or topic, making retrieval a breeze later on. It also integrates with popular calendar apps, which is a nice touch. However, there are some areas that feel a bit vague. For instance, while it mentions AI capabilities, specifics on how it learns or improves over time aren't immediately clear. If you're someone who attends frequent meetings and struggles to keep track of notes, Granola could be a game changer. But if you're looking for something with more advanced features, you might want to consider other options. Let's break down the pros and cons. On the positive side, Granola AI excels in simplicity and ease of use. The transcription feature is quite accurate, which can save you a lot of time. It's also a great fit for busy professionals who need a quick and efficient way to stay organized. However, there are some limitations to consider. For one, it lacks deeper integration with third-party apps beyond calendars, which could be a deal breaker for some users. Additionally, while the app is intuitive, advanced users might find it lacking in customization options. Trust is another concern. There's limited information about how Granola handles your data, which might make some users hesitant. Overall, while it's great for casual users, power users may want to look elsewhere. So, should you give Granola AI a try? If you're someone who needs a straightforward tool for meeting notes and values efficiency, it's worth exploring. But if you're looking for robust features and integrations, you might want to consider alternatives. Overall, it shows promise but leaves some questions unanswered.